Alicia Rankin here with Lilygrass Flowers and Decor, and we have an exciting thing that Lilygrass does. It's called Make and Take Floral Classes. It's for the DIY people that want to do it yourself. You come into the store, we have an arrangement that you make. You can pick out the flower colors, you can pick out a variety of different containers, and we show you step by step on how you can make it. And then you actually take it home with you, and you can post it on social media and brag to all your friends that you know how to make a floral arrangement. It's a great way to just let loose, have some fun for an evening. All the classes that we're offering right now are on our website under Floral Classes. We have it once a month. Definitely get on the website, look into it, RSVP, and we'd love to have you there. You can find more on the link below, or you can call us at 405-721-1813.